guys, it's me, Risa. Welcome to my kitchen again. I hope you're doing great. Are you staying on your journey? I hope so. Don't forget to ring the bell so that you'll receive all my newest recipes by email, okay? And of course, continue to share my YouTube channel with anybody who's on a health journey. They don't have to be on Weight Watchers. Anybody that loves nutritious, high protein, low fat, low sugar recipes, inspirational tips and motivation, grocery shopping, meal planning, meal prep, and of course my podcasts that I learned along the way and hopefully will help you on your journey. So, what are we doing today? Okay, little story. I'm at Walmart. Actually, no, I was at Costco. Oh my goodness, with my mom. And somebody told me that you could make whipped topping with chickpea juice. And I'm thinking, really? Anyways, I've never done it before. And I thought, let's try it out together and see if it works, okay? So I, of course, have to resify everything and change it up because just with the chickpea juice, that would be kind of boring. So I'm going to add a little bit of some vanilla, about a tablespoon, a splash of some lemon juice, and I'm going to use a half a cup of some icing sugar, swerve, and a quarter teaspoon of some cream of tartar because I'm hoping that'll help whip it up well and, solidify it, get it a little bit harder consistency for whipping cream, and a can of chickpea juice, which I drained, and it's about 3/4 of a cup that I've measured. All right, so this is a 540 ml tin, and that's what I'm using. Those are all the ingredients. So I have my mix master, my Cuisinart. So let's get started and cross our fingers that it's going to be delicious. All right, so I'm just going to add the juice of the chickpeas. Some people call it garbanzo beans, whatever you like. And you can buy those. I buy the Great Value and the lower sodium ones at Walmart, okay? I don't work for Walmart, but I love the brand, okay? Great Value. And I'm going to start mixing it on a high speed with a quarter of a teaspoon of cream of tartar. We'll let that start beating up. We'll add about a tablespoon of some vanilla, because vanilla adds good flavor in everything, right? And I'm going to do about a splash of some lemon juice. And I'm going to add the sugar, a little bit at a time. I hope it works. It's starting to beat up. And I'm not sure how long it'll take, but I'm hoping that it's delicious. And it sounded really easy, but sometimes things work and sometimes things don't work. Of course, I'm not going to post this unless it works. All right. Adding my icing sugar. And we'll see if it works. Anyways, in the meantime, I just finished making my chipotle sweet potato veggie burger. I have some of them right here, and the rest of them, it's too hot. And here's my dinner that I'm having. So my burger with some with potato and green beans. I figured I may as well show you, and you can look up that recipe. It may take a while, I don't know. It's starting to get thicker. Now, the garbanzo beans or the chickpeas, you strain it, and it was at room temperature because I leave them in my cupboard. Hopefully that helps. I do have it at the highest speed, and it is definitely getting thick. I'm just going to bring it closer so you can see how it's doing. Oh, I'll move it back. There. Now you can see how it's doing. It takes a while. Again, I've never done this before, and I hope it will work because then it'll be 0 smart points, right? Because you're not going to count the juice or any of the other ingredients. There'll be 0 smart points. So that'll be nice. And then you can have it for all kinds of things. I'm thinking, I love sugar-free Jello. Any flavor, you can make it yourself, or you could make pudding, or add it to some yogurt, or you can add it to some of my muffin recipes or my cake recipes, right? I know. It's getting nice and thick. If you can see. And I used my whisk attachment because that will make it nice and fluffy, okay? When you're making other cakes and things, you use the other utensil. You use this one, but for any kind of egg whites, if you're beating up, or this recipe, you'll use the whisk. It looks like it's almost done. I'm so excited. And that really didn't take very long, a few minutes. Let's see, 7 minutes I've been talking? That's not too bad for me. Let me see. I just want to check it. Yep. If it doesn't fall off, then it's ready. All right, let me take it off. I'm going to unplug. And I'm going to take it down. And dun da da da. All right. So let me see. Here it is. Your own whipped cream from chickpea juice. Who knew that this could be a new whip topping? Yum. Nice and sweet. If you want to add the lemon, it gives it a nice lemony taste. The vanilla is great on its own. You know what? You could even probably sprinkle in some cinnamon or some cocoa would be nice to make it a chocolate whipped cream, right? We'll have to try that out. But I'm going to just open up my Jello to show you. Grab a spoon. Add some of my new whipped cream. Dun, da, da, da. That's yummy. And fast, easy, delicious to add to your yogurt, I'm pointing to yogurt, my Jello, yogurt, other types of dishes that you're making, maybe on your overnight oats. Why not? On your oatmeal, why not? Chocolate oatmeal that I just did, check out that recipe. And it's super delicious and fast. Who knew? I'm glad that we experimented and it came out, and it's 2 thumbs up. I hope you love this recipe, easy peasy. Continue to share, tell other people about my YouTube videos, okay? And we'll talk to you soon. Mwah! Tell me what you think. Bye for now.